Make me look like a lion a little bit. Wow, this is like
Just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video guys, I am going to do a hair review. I love me hair. I won't talk a lot today because I just wanna get into this hair because I opened it was so freaking cute and I really wanted to see. I have to go change my battery because my phone died. I received this hair from LUVME Hair affordable luxury wig. I chose the yaki texture. They told me I could choose from their website, and I chose the headband yaki texture. This box is so cute. I'm probably gonna keep it because it's actually pretty cute and it's pretty sturdy also. So this is what's going to be in the box. It's gonna have the hair. It will come in this purple bag, and they will also use they will also send you some headbands for the headband wig. Let me see what they look like. What is that? I don't know what that is. Let me see how many. 3, 4, 5. They will send you 5 headbands, and they're actually pretty cute. They're cute. They're cute. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear them because they look like they're pretty big too. So okay, they're pretty cute. So yeah, they will send you 5 headbands with the headband wig if you get the headband wig in this bag. Bobby pins. What's this? What is that? Hair wrap? I don't know what that is. They will send you wig caps also. That's cute. LUVME hair clip. It's pretty cute though. Edge brush. I'm probably gonna save this one because I already have a hedge brush, so I'm gonna save this for now. Okay. Okay, I'm not liking the smell because what a freak. First, it's actually very soft, and the amount of shedding I'm getting is a little amount, like a minimal amount. It's not bad. Maybe it's my ring that's doing that. Yeah, I'm not getting shedding as the one that I bought from Amazon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out this hair and put in the LUVME hair. Maybe I should have done my edges first. So I went ahead and straightened the front of my hair because I'm gonna put the wig more to the back instead of the front. So we'll see how it's gonna go. This is what it looks like before I straighten it, guys. It makes me look like a lion a little bit, but it's really soft, guys. Like, gosh. And I am not getting tingling at all. It's so freaking pretty. Like, what the heck? Yeah, I'm gonna straighten it. Okay guys, so this is it when it's straightened. Oh my god, yo, I thought I was gonna have to bring out more of my hair in the front, but as soon as I straightened it, it blended well with my natural hair and it is so freaking beautiful. This is it when it's not straightened. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten out this side now. And the fact that it can straighten with just one stroke is really beautiful, guys. I don't have to take my time with it because literally with one stroke of the iron, it straightens. And I have the iron all the way up to 25. I didn't read the highest that the heat has to be, but put the iron at the highest heat, so, and it doesn't even burn my hair at all. I thought it was going to burn it. This is it straightened all the way, and oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. It looks so natural. So I don't even have to do my edges because it looks natural as it is right now. I'm gonna show you guys when I stand up how it looks like. And I will also put the hair link down below in my description box, and click it, and then it will direct you guys to the website, and go get it. Okay, that's all I have to say. Literally go get it, because wow, this is like oh, like I'm literally not getting no tingling at all. But yeah guys, so if you guys did like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. So yeah guys, see you guys next time.